Welcome back to Inshore Yaker TV. Today, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass, and a mystery fish.
Alright guys, I am heading down to the river for some physical therapy. That's right, the doctor has released me and has told me that I should actually go fishing. He said the reeling and everything like that is great physical therapy for all of the small muscles and bones and everything to get back to moving right. So, sorry I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking down at the ground at all this treacherous ground I have to venture through. So, but anyway, we're gonna come down here, we're gonna try to catch a smallmouth or two. Water's a little bit stained, we've had a lot of rain, so we're gonna see what we can do though. We've got some spinner baits, we've got some crank baits. I've got a top water or two, so let's see what we can do. I am also down here using my action hat. I just got this thing off of the internet. Go to actionhat.com, pick you up one too. These things are pretty cool. All right, so I'm looking, there's some really good looking rocks and stuff down here. I'm looking for a way to actually get down there. By the way, this is the first recording with the action hat. Hopefully it's at the right angle. Hoping we can get to this water. Some really pretty rocks and a little bit of rough water down here I'd like to get to. Maybe right here. No ticks, no ticks, no ticks. Let's pray for no ticks. Ticks suck. Well, there's a nice little spider. That's one thing about summertime. Ugh, spiders. I hate a spider. You want to see me scream like a girl? Yeah. Introduce me to a... Oh, God! Introduce me to a spider. Hate them with a passion. All right, using a white spinnerbait today. I know it's not an ideal bait. In the middle of the day, I would actually prefer using probably a black. It silhouettes really well against the sun. It's just one of my personal preferences. In the middle of the day, white is tough. White is really tough. Don't forget about these little nooks and crannies. They'll sit up in there and they'll just wait for a little brim or a little creek chub or something to come along, and they'll just smash it like that. Oh man. Huh. See if he comes back for it. Come on, baby. I'm interested to see how my hooking abilities will be with this gimpy hand of mine. Alright, so we are coming to our next spot. It's not very deep area, I don't believe, because you see you've got your rapids and stuff, but these spots are always good. These little slack areas, man, I love them. All right, so we got this little slack water on the back side of this rock here. Let the current take it out a little bit, and then you just slow roll it. Got this little slack tide right over here, right in front of this rock. Oh, there we go. And we got a fish. And we got a fish. It's our first fish. Told y'all you can't pass them up. Oh, not the most graceful of fishing, but yeah, there we go. He's not ready yet. He's not ready yet. Is he ready? I think he's ready. Yep, I think he's ready now. All right. Oh, there we go. Pretty little fish. Awesome. Awesome. Cool deal. Let's get us a nice release. We are at one of my honey holes. This spot has always produced fish for me. Always. I walk up and I see brim feeding on the surface. Haven't seen that anywhere else down the river. So, and I'm seeing raccoon tracks all on the bank. So hopefully, maybe that could be a sign. Oh, there's a fish. Boy, he hit that thing like a ton of bricks. Boy, he hit that thing like a ton of bricks. Boy, he's an acrobat too. Come here, baby. Come here. There we go. I got him under the chin. Whoa, hook out. Oh, look at that. Look at that pretty thing. That's all I wanted. Just one smallmouth. And I got her. Got her on that that Braze E, guys. I'm telling y'all. That thing is the truth. I don't want to get a hook in the hand either. And I didn't bring not the first set of pliers. Come on, get out of there. There we go. There we go. Look at that beautiful thing. That's what I'm talking about. Braze E does it again. Braze E, baby. Let's get a good release on this bad boy. There we go. Got something else. I think it's another smallie. Might be a brim. Huh? It is another smallie. Look at there. Another nice little smallie. Ooh, that was close. Alright, dude, calm down. You almost hooked me. There we go. A nice little smallmouth. Little chunks. Oh. Oh my God, he broke my spinnerbait. Dude, I hope y'all were able to see that one. Oh my goodness. Completely broke my spinnerbait. Oh my God, I hope y'all were able to see that. I'm gonna cast my broken spinnerbait in. Maybe he'll come in and hit it again. My God, that was a huge fish. Oh my gosh. That thing was huge. Huge, 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 guys. Oh, there he is again. Oh God. I think it's a big old giant pickerel. Dude, if that's a pickerel. Oh my Lord. He hit it twice. Guys, I really, really hope y'all can. Oh, I can't believe that. All right, guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. It's hot. I don't have any water. I'm dehydrated. Big thumbs up to the Brazee. Did it again. Profound Outdoors. Awesome lure. Action hat. Big thumbs up. Awesome, awesome hat. Never once did I feel like there was a bunch of weight on my head. Never once did I get even this sense that I was going to have a headache. Very, very comfortable. Very, very good hat. So knocked it out of park with the design. Anyway, great day. Couple of bass. I think one largemouth. Couple of smallmouth. So can't ask for too much more than that. So got some great fishing coming your way. Redfish and flounder. Plus we have a bonus trip that we're gonna throw in there. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a good year. I'm back. See y'all later. Peace.